Well, good morning, y'all. Anthony Mitchell here, and I keep getting reprimanded for driving and making videos, so I'm gonna stop making video. If you can see the hat, own your life, cash flow. Green card on this cash flow hat, and own your life pin is the system. Because you have to own your life by having passive cash flow. Once you have enough passive cash flow, you will own your life. Because you don't have to work for money. You control your time, you control your money. It's a hard pill to swallow for a lot of people who've been working a long time to make some money, and they still don't own their lives, and they're wondering why. That's why. Alright, so check it out. If you are somebody's friend, you should be supporting their business. If they're starting a new business, support it. Try out some of their products. Try out some of their services. Test out the opportunity. What's the worst that's going to happen? You supported your friend and you did nothing? That's your fault. You were given an opportunity to change your life. If you took advantage of it, you took advantage of it. If you didn't, you didn't. It's all on you, though. But don't lie and say you're going to support your friend and then not do it. Shady salespeople do that. But anyways, y'all. If you want more out of life, the best way to do it is by creating passive cash flow. You can do that in a couple different ways, but the two ways I'm utilizing is investing in cash flow producing assets. But that takes a lot of capital invested before you see anything significant in terms of returns. Building a home-based networking business. As your network grows, so does your passive residual cash flow. Why? Because every time you share or you sponsor somebody into your home-based networking business, you're planting a money tree. Every time you help them sponsor somebody else, you're planting another money tree by nurturing your money tree. So everybody gets money trees. It's a no-brainer. Why would you not start creating passive residual income from the start by simply sharing something you're personally benefiting from with your network of contacts? I don't know, it makes no sense to me why people would not be involved with network marketing. Well, I get it. There's a whole disdain for network marketing. That's why I tell people there's a difference between traditional business and our business, because most people got a screwed up concept of network marketing. They assume it's direct sales. It's not. It had nothing to do with directly selling nothing. I do not directly sell a single thing to anybody. The only time I touch a product is if I'm personally using it for my personal benefit, or I'm handing it out as a sample so someone else can get the benefits of the products because it'll help them. No, I simply share with people a way where they can get more out of life by starting a home-based networking business. The products move by them starting the home-based networking business. Because there's a couple things you got to do when you get in. You got to get in and get started. That's become either create an online shopper's account or become a business partner, sign your agreement, so you can start building the business. Then the second thing is you have to personally utilize the products and services so you can get a feel for it. Then you got to shift into high gear, which is helping other people start getting more out of life. And then the fourth thing you got to do is sharing. And that one, it's just a plus. The more you share, the more you gain. But if you don't share a lot, whatever. As long as you're sitting there doing the first ones, getting started, personally benefiting from the products or services, and then shifting to high gear, which is helping other people start a home-based networking business, you can't lose. You're going to get to your final destination, which is owning your life. It might take you more time, depending on the companies you're with. I said I just started with the new company I'm with on the team of the guy who created the system. I had a couple phone calls with him. Pretty awesome. Yeah. Networking with multimillionaires is awesome. Have phone conversations, Zoom chats with them all the time. Bam. But yeah. So I started probably about 2 weeks now. And 6 people in the organization. Everybody's winning. They're getting the benefits of the superior quality products. Plus, planting the money trees to help them. Like my first partner. Helped her plant 2 million trees for herself so she get a little piece, a little touch, a little drip. That's what you want. You want that continuous drip, the passive cash flow. Screw the big win, screw that sales commission that everyone gets. That's like one of the ladies who is my friend who's supposed to create an account just to support me. My other friend who just created an account Saturday to support me, she created her account. the lady I actually bought something off for promotional material. I don't know, maybe something happened. Her account hasn't came through yet, so I'm not going to jump to conclusions yet, but she's out of town. When she gets back, I'll talk to her about it, because I spent money with you, but you're not willing to even make a free account just to support me. So we'll figure out what's going on with that one later. But if you want more out of life, you have no reason not to be building a home-based networking business. But I got to get going, so subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. And for the love of God, start creating passive cash flow for yourselves. Y'all have a good one.